addition and subtraction sums. Friends, today in this video, we will learn the usage of addition and subtraction in our daily life with the help of Chichi and Choo Choo.
Hey Choo Choo, where are you going with this fan? Chichi, my fan is not working. I am going to get it repaired. Choo Choo, let's go. I will also come with you. Okay, let's go. Hey brother, take a look. This fan is not working.
Oh, Choo Choo brother, you are too much. Now take a new fan. The new fan is for 78 rupees only.
Chichi, I have only 58 rupees as of now. How can I take a new fan from only this much money? Don't worry, Choo Choo. I will talk to the fan seller. Brother, how many rupees would you give for this old fan?
I will give 32 rupees for this old fan.
Look, Choo Choo, you have 58 rupees now. And you will get 32 rupees for this old fan. So total, how many rupees would you have? To know that, we would have to do the addition of 58 and 32 after putting them in the box of 110s. Yes. So now if we will add numbers 8 and 2 of the box of 1's unit, then after 8 there will be 9 and 10. There are 0 ones and 1 tens in 10. So we will put 0 in the place of 1's and we will carry over 1 in the place of 10's. Now if we will add 5 and 3 of the box of 10's, then after 5 it will be 6, 7, 8 tens. And if we will add 1 carry over to 8 tens, it will be 9 tens. So it will be 9 tens after adding 32 to 58. Yes, 9 tens means 90 rupees. Oh yes, if I sell old fan, then I will have a total of 90 rupees. So if I will give 90 rupees to the fan seller and buy a new fan for 78, how many rupees would have I left? Let's go. Now put 90 and 78 in the box of 1's tens and subtract 78 from 90. First of all, we will do the subtraction of numbers of box of 1's. Here we cannot subtract 8 from 0. So we will borrow 1 10 from the 9 tens of the box of tens. So we will write 10 ones in place of 0 in the box of ones. Now if we will subtract 8 ones from 10 ones, then it will be 1 and 2 ones left. Now look here, if we will subtract 7 tens from 8 tens of the box of tens, then 1 10 would be left. Yes, so in this way, if we will subtract 78 from 90, then 110 and 2 ones means 12 rupees would be the balance amount. Oh wow, Choo Choo! Now you would buy a new fan and also save 12 rupees. You are right, Chichi. So Choo Choo, buy the new fan now. Okay, Chichi. Brother, take these 58 rupees and this old fan.
Take this, Choo Choo brother, your new fan. And the balance 12 rupees.
Oh brother, does this new fan work properly?
Yes, look here.
Nice cold air. Thank you, brother. Choo Choo, give a party of the new fan from the remaining 12 rupees. Okay, Chichi. Bye, Choo Choo.
Friends, today we learned the usage of addition and subtraction in our daily life. In the next video, we will learn about some interesting examples related to addition and subtraction.